Which canister vacuum actually gives you spotless floors? Simple question, but the answer isn't. Every model claims powerful suction and deep cleaning, but real performance tells a different story. Today, we cut through the noise. Product number 1, Eureka 3670M Lightweight Canister Vacuum. Let's start with the Eureka 3670M. This yellow canister vacuum caught my eye because it's lightweight at just 8.6 pounds and costs under $100. If you want strong suction without breaking your back or your budget, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It runs on a 12-amp motor, which means consistent, powerful suction across carpets and hard floors. The 2.5-liter dust bag holds a surprising amount of dirt, and replacing it is clean and mess-free. No clouds of dust when you swap it out. It comes with 2 extension wands and tools like a crevice nozzle and dusting brush, so you can clean under furniture, along baseboards, and even car interiors. Plus, it's rated for all floor types, from hardwood to thick carpet. Now, some people might be turned off by the foam filter. It's not HEPA, so it won't trap the finest allergens. And honestly, if you have severe allergies or pets that shed heavily, this might not be enough. But for general household cleaning, it gets the job done without the high price tag. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget but still want reliable performance across multiple surfaces. Skip this one if you need advanced filtration or plan to vacuum large areas frequently. The bag fills up faster than bagless models. Product number 2, Eureka Whirlwind Bagless Canister. All right, that was a solid budget option. But if you hate buying replacement bags, the Eureka Whirlwind Bagless might be your answer. Priced around $89, it's lightweight at 8.15 pounds and uses a washable filter system, so no ongoing costs. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The bagless 2.5-liter dust cup means you see exactly what you're picking up, and emptying it is as easy as pressing one button. The integrated airflow control on the handle lets you switch between carpet and hard floor modes instantly. No bending down to adjust settings. Swivel steering makes it glide around furniture, and the automatic cord rewind saves time when you're done. It also includes a 2-in-1 crevice tool built into the hose, so you'll never lose it. Now, some people complained about dust blowing back during emptying. Since there's no bag to contain fine particles, you might get a little puff of debris. Here's the thing though, if you empty it outside or over a trash can, it's barely noticeable. And for the price and convenience, it's a fair trade-off. This is perfect for you if you want low maintenance and hate spending money on bags. Skip this one if you're highly sensitive to dust or need hospital-grade filtration. This uses a basic disc filter, not HEPA. Product number 3, Kenmore 600 Series Pet PowerMate Brush. Now, if the previous models felt a bit basic, this next one takes a completely different approach. The Kenmore 600 series is built for pet owners and allergy sufferers. At $406, it's a bigger investment, but it comes with serious tech. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It has a dual motor system. One powers the suction, the other drives the Pet PowerMate brush. That motorized attachment lifts embedded pet hair from carpets like nothing else. The triple HEPA filter traps 99.97% of allergens, so your air stays cleaner. Plus, the pop-and-go brush switches from carpet to hard floors in seconds, and the 28-foot retractable cord gives you serious reach. At 22.6 pounds, it's still manageable, and the aluminum wand extends up to 10 feet for high corners. Now, some people found it heavy compared to cheaper models, and the price is steep. Here's the thing though, if you've struggled with pet hair or allergies, this vacuum pays for itself in peace of mind and cleaner floors. It's not overkill, it's over-engineered for results. This is perfect for you if you have pets, allergies, or deep pile carpets. Skip this one if you only have hard floors or are on a tight budget. There are lighter, cheaper options that work fine for simpler needs. Product number 4, Eureka Whirlwind NEN110D Red. All right, that Kenmore was powerful, but not everyone needs that level of performance. If you liked the Whirlwind concept but want a slightly upgraded version, the Eureka Whirlwind NEN110D in red delivers. It's priced at $101, just a bit more than the blue model, but adds a few refinements. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Same 960-watt motor and 2.5-liter bagless design, but this version includes a foam filter that's easier to clean and lasts longer. The airflow control is still on the handle, and the swivel steering makes it nimble. The one-button dust cup release is satisfyingly smooth, and the 16-foot cord is long enough for most rooms. Noise level is 82 decibels. Loud, but typical for this class. Now, some users mentioned the hose can feel stiff at first, and the red color shows dust more than darker models. Here's the thing though, after a week of use, the hose loosens up, and a quick wipe keeps it looking clean. For the price, it's one of the most user-friendly bagless canisters out there. This is perfect for you if you want a no-fuss, bagless vacuum with strong suction and easy maintenance. Skip this one if you need ultra-quiet operation or plan to vacuum large homes. The cord length and dust capacity might require more frequent stops.
Product number 5, Kenmore 81214 200 series.
Finally, if you want premium filtration without the pet power mate price, the Kenmore 81214 offers a middle ground. At $292, it's more affordable than the 600 series, but still packs a HEPA filter and dual motors. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The HEPA system captures 99.97% of dust and dander, making it ideal for allergy sufferers. The two-motor system delivers strong suction, and the 4 height adjustments let you optimize performance on different floor types. It's lightweight at under 20 pounds, has a 24-foot retractable cord, and includes 3 handy tools stored right on the unit. The bagged design means less exposure to dust when emptying. Now, some people wished it had a motorized brush like the 600 series, especially for pet hair. Here's the thing though, for hard floors and low-pile carpets, the standard brush works great. And if you don't have pets, you won't miss it. This is perfect for you if you want clean air and strong suction without the top-tier price. Skip this one if you have heavy pet shedding or thick carpets. Go for the 600 series instead.
So which one wins? For budget-friendly cleaning, the Eureka 3670M gets the job done. The Whirlwind models offer great bagless convenience. If you have pets or allergies, the Kenmore 600 series is worth the splurge. And for balanced performance with HEPA filtration, the Kenmore 81214 is a smart pick. Choose based on your floors, your lifestyle, and your lungs.